Hello to whoever's listened to this today. I'm going for a doggy walk and the cat's following as well. I think it's Ariana's coming. But it's freezing. Absolutely freezing. Little Annie. It's freezing. There's the cat there. Come on. Okay. I've got a testimony tonight, another one. This is to do with epilepsy. I'll just get into it. Thanks if you're watching. Hello. Okay, I was diagnosed with epilepsy when I was 16 years old. I had to take medication to control the seizures, but it seemed like the neurologist couldn't find a medicine that would control it. At times I felt like there wasn't any hope and I would have to take medication for the rest of my life. At times, Then one night at home I noticed a picture of Jesus Christ hanging on the living room wall, and I thought about how he died for me on the cross. He gave his own life. So I stopped looking down and started looking up after that. So true, like, so sad. But then all glory to God, so all glory to God. Before I went to sleep, I got down on my knees and began, Scoob, can you not pull me, please? Before I went to sleep, you keep pulling me, babe. Before I went to sleep, I got down on my knees and began to pray. It had been 10 years since that night now, and I was still having seizures, but I didn't lose my faith in God. I prayed even more. I know my family and friends are praying too, and I had already been through several accidents due to the seizures, but I thank God for watching me through it all.